Are you struggling to search for organization names in DynamoDB without worrying about capitalization? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle how to perform case-insensitive queries in DynamoDB. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when users search for names like FedEx or TNT, and the results don't match due to case sensitivity. This is a common issue many developers face. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. A user asked how to maintain official capitalization in their DynamoDB table while allowing users to search case-insensitively. They want queries for FedEx, FedEx, or FedEx to return the same result. Let's dive into this together. So, what's the challenge here? Unlike some other databases that have built-in functions for case-insensitive queries, DynamoDB doesn't offer a straightforward solution. But don't worry, we have a workaround that can help. Stick around, because at the end of this video, I'll share a clever workaround that can help you achieve your goal, even if it involves a bit of redundancy. To achieve case-insensitive querying in DynamoDB, the user should start by modifying the table structure. This involves adding a new attribute to store the organization names in lowercase. Next, when inserting or updating organization names, the user should ensure that both the original name and the lowercase version are saved in the respective attributes. Now, when a user submits a search query, the user should convert that query to lowercase. This ensures that the search can match the lowercase attribute in the table. Finally, the user can perform the query on the DynamoDB table using the lowercase attribute. This will return the correct organization regardless of the case used in the search. Fun fact, did you know that the first databases were so simple that they could only handle a few hundred records? Now we can manage millions with just a few clicks. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution proposed by another user suggests avoiding duplicate data in DynamoDB. Instead, they recommend integrating Elasticsearch with DynamoDB. This can be done easily through the AWS console. By using a custom analyzer in Elasticsearch, you can achieve case-insensitive searches. Here's the clever tip I promised. Always keep your data organized and consider using additional fields for search optimization. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. By storing organization names in both their official form and in lowercase, you can easily perform case-insensitive searches in DynamoDB. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.